Now we start the event number 7, 50-meter butterfly boys under 14. Now introduction of the swimmers. In lane number 1, Tanmoy Das of Delhi. In lane number 2, Sai Chandan KS of Karnataka. In lane number 3, Indronil Binoy Gridhe of Maharashtra. In lane number 4, Prashidda Krishna of PA, Karnataka. Lane number 5, Arindam Das of West Bengal. Lane number 6, Prasanna Deepak Hare of Maharashtra. Lane number 7, R.N. Ami Krishnan of Tamil Nadu. And lane number 8, Rohit Kumar Jadhav of Uttar Pradesh. Over to referee. Take your mark.
পাঁচটা কি করে যায়
Full!